It's both parties in Warben, about some like a catcher.
Okay, so NDC for no Ben, me catch on there. Nyame Adoma, Oboko opposition for 8 years.
NDC for Ben.
There's a time they do not say, Mobile open with the NDC is coming back to power, and then number one. Obiana Jimbe there with NPP, the contest would be between His Excellency the Vice President and Alan Kyeramateng, but no. When you there, Kennedy Agyapong waka there or be contester or the first sign the NDC is coming to power. Number two, when you there, Alan Kyeramateng we fi party ni mu pepe on the one there NDC will win election anyway.
The Damu comes here, Shasi Phoebe here.
The main commission shall say in 2015, Abra NDC for Obebon, na NPP for Blues Obebon.
NDC for Bohuno, NPP for Susu Obohuno, 2015. There you then.
So, me feel that when you be Biara na Oje Nyamizi. No, you be Oje Nyamizi, not Oje prophecy. Into your one fall on both divides are Oje Nyamizi. And so they wanted to find out what is ahead. I wanna was it was Sikasam Naze, was it Beshim, I wanna when they do mum or Kawanaze, they want to find out that into Abbas no day in him. Now make kind of quarrel with Mr. Chon 2015. But it be one pet. Na minkasa most of ya nipa bepe meka no kwara nyame was in the actually in town one pen they took it, but now
it's both parties in Warben about some like a catcher.
Okay, so NDC for no Ben me catch on there nyame Adoma Oboko opposition for 8 years.
NDC for Ben
there's a time they do not say mobile open with the NDC is coming back to power, and then number one. Obiana Jimbe there with NPP, the contest would be between His Excellency the Vice President and Alan Kyeramateng, but no. When you there, Kennedy Agyapong waka there or be contester or the first sign the NDC is coming to power. Number two, when you there, Alan Kyeramateng we fi party ni mu pepe on the one there NDC will win election anyway. And one of the people I spoke to is called Julian Mausi Kobina.
War NDC side.
NDC side. Motum Mabonizim, because Nangasa will make some Facebook post about it in Timotum Mabonizim. And I told you this was they did not like it. Some ambassadors came, they did not like it. But I'm to make a minute make a chawa in Kenya Sawara. So I told them, and we went 2016 and they lost. And they were still thinking they were coming back in 2020 and they lost. So then when these two signs came together, then they got to know that, okay. So that was the first time, 2015, that I spoke about it. Then 2021, 18th of September, I sent a message to Honorable Elvis Efriye Ankra. That Nyame said there, Onye is excellent John Dramani Muhammad, Onye ne baby. Then same pick on menkan in the major.
Oh year 2021.
2021, 18th of September.
In send a message in man.
The man
and I friend.
Honorable Mr. Man, watch up. Honorable Elvis Efriye Ankra. The man Yami Wadin is actually me. In the party what baby I was we lose election when you about 2024 Ubonwi.
It's a catcher no or then. The machine another like
me feel honorable you'll be a original music, not the prophet is it.
Okay.
In Timeyaka Nazare, Minion of Obon pay. Then I mean one on in Quatenten, they asked him obviously 2024. On another watch and I won't my way see. So that was the first time.
Okay.
From then no men year Obia I took a personal decision there. All by national elections Nazra. I just want to I deal with people on the quiet side.
Okay.
Until the 30th of August 2024. In fact, everyone around me, all the politicians, those who are in parliament, I called them. I told them, Charlie, my party will not win. And people, I told them.
The catch one straight.
Because I'm not looking for anything from you. I'm just speaking the truth. It is kind of by Mejizi. I'm from Ba Osawara. So I told them.
Kindly watch the full video from my YouTube channel, BluntGhana. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment there as well. Thank you.